Hello everyone, it's Bethany. I have an unboxing for you from Bistro Blanks. This is a pin that I won in a giveaway, which is awesome. I'm excited to see it in person. Bistro Blanks had a giveaway where you commented on a post if you were there to watch the video and your name got put into a drawing and my name was picked. So let's go ahead and look at this package. Came nice and wrapped in a bubble wrap. It looks like there's a card in there and maybe a cover minder. That's awesome. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. Oh, that is a cover minder. I'll take a closer look at that in a bit. This is the pin. Look how it's all wrapped up nice and neat. And a card. It says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." Let's take a look. Bethany, congrats on your win and thank you for sticking with me through thick and thin. Dan, thank you. Look at those googly eyes. That's cute. Don't mind me while I play with the googly, googly eyes. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's take a look at this cover reminder first since we've already kind of seen it. That's so pretty. It's a sparkly purple gem. It's not the strongest magnet, but I think it'll work. Oops, sorry, I bumped you. I love how it's just so glittery. Let's see. Oh yeah, see? It sticks in there through the paper, so. Awesome, beautiful, thank you. That is an extra little bonus. It's always fun opening things that are wrapped like gifts. Okay, when I saw this on camera, I was like, oh yeah, that's an okay pin. But I'm telling you, in person, it's really cool. Okay, so on the back, there are a few little stars, which is kind of neat. There is some diamond belts. Now, Bistro Blanks does a really good job of getting those in there. Like, this is totally smooth. Totally smooth. So you're diamond painting and you can see the pretty sparklies, the gems there, but you don't feel them. Whoops, sorry again. That's a really cool, like, some of these spots I think are like mistakes, but I think it looks so cool because it's all swirly. There's a blue spot here. I don't know. It's going to be difficult to see. But it's a color swirl. There's some purple along here. There's some color swirl spots. I actually like that. I do like working with resin myself. And sometimes you never know how it's going to end up turning out. I mean, like with these stars, they obviously sink to the bottom because the blank was this way. But I still think it's a cool little addition. And there's not a lot of them in there, so it doesn't look like all tacky or anything. It just is really pretty. It's like these falling stars on this one side of the pin. Plus, I mean, I won this pin for free, so I can't really complain about it too much anyways, you know what I mean? But this is really gorgeous. There are blue and I can't tell. I think it's pink. It's either red or pink, but I think it's blue and pink glitter in there. And then an overall lavender light color purple, which is also, I think, why you see the little red and blue swirls in there, because the color might not have mixed up all the way, but I actually really like it this way. Maybe it was meant to be that way. I don't know. I didn't make it, but it's really pretty. And it's, I would say, medium thick, and it's comfortable. It's very comfortable to hold. Bistro Blanks pins are super smooth. The last one, the first order that I bought from them, I mean, technically this is my second unboxing. So even though I didn't buy it, it's my second unboxing. And the first one, I mean, the pins, I got like 4 or 5 pins and they were super smooth. And it's actually incredible because I've tried a lot of different pins and these are the smoothest ones that I've received. So if you like really slick pins, this is a good choice for you. If you don't like the slick pins, yeah, maybe not the best choice for you, but I love this pin. I absolutely love this pin. It is so, so pretty. So pretty. Yep. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.